Today we're taking a look at this smart electric vehicle charging station, designed for fast, safe, and convenient home charging. This Wallbox is available in 7 kilowatt, 11 kilowatt, and 22 kilowatt versions, making it compatible with both single-phase and three-phase power systems. The charger supports Type 2 IEC 621962 and Type 1J 1772 connectors, so it works with a wide range of electric vehicles. Inside, an intelligent control chip continuously monitors voltage, current, charging time, and power consumption to ensure efficient and stable charging. With Wi-Fi app control, you can manage everything from your smartphone. The app lets you start or stop charging remotely, adjust current levels from 8 to 32 amps, schedule charging sessions, and receive notifications when your car is fully charged. Safety is a key focus. This EV charger includes leakage protection with auto recovery, over-voltage and under-voltage protection, lightning protection, overcurrent protection, overheating protection, and ground protection. The enclosure is IP65 waterproof and built with UL94V0 flame-retardant materials, making it suitable for outdoor use. The Wallbox also features RFID card access for controlled charging and LED indicators that clearly show charging status.